How can you get business credit with little personal credit and even with poor personal credit? Everyone thinks that it's impossible. Well, we're here to tell you that it can be done, and today we're going to explain how. In this video, we are going to provide you with the simplest way that many business owners are not aware of to secure $10,000 in just a few months. Today, we're revealing all the sauce to get business credit quickly. Let's dive in. But first, before we start, let's discuss the difference between business credit and personal credit. It's important to grasp these distinctions before I explain how to get business credit. Many of you know about FICO scores and credit bureaus like TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. These agencies report your personal credit, but they have nothing to do with business credit. Business credit is a different entity, and there's even a dedicated agency for it. It's called Dun & Bradstreet. So on the personal credit side, you have Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. On the business side, you also have Experian and Equifax, but the key player is Dun & Bradstreet. They've been around for hundreds of years and are the primary agency for business credit. Personal credit focuses heavily on how you manage your credit cards. For instance, if you max out a personal credit card, even if you make all your payments on time, your credit score will drop due to high utilization. However, business credit works differently. Business credit cards usually have higher limits, and using a significant portion of the limit doesn't negatively impact your score as it does with personal credit. In business credit, maxing out your card is not penalized the same way. If you use a $1,000 business credit card limit fully and make timely payments, it reflects positively. They focus on your debt management rather than your debt ratio, which is why business credit offers you, the business owner, more advantages. So if your personal credit is bad, there's no need to worry. Now that you understand the difference between personal and business credit, let's move on to building your business credit. Bad personal credit won't matter as we focus solely on building good business credit. To start, you need to register your business with your state. Whether it's an LLC, S Corp, C Corp, or DBA, the registration of a business is essential. It's usually easier to do an LLC, but if you're not sure, check with a tax professional for advice. Once your business is registered, you'll need an EIN number from irs.gov, a business email, a business phone number, and a website. You can use Google Workspace or another provider like Squarespace to get the business email, business phone number, and website all at once. Setting up your business doesn't take long, and if you need help, there are some companies that can do it for you for a fee. Having a registered business creates a separate entity that can borrow money, pay debts, and even exist independent of your social security number. This separation allows you to replicate the process multiple times, building multiple businesses and credit lines. Next, let's discuss how to actually get business credit. Some companies are willing to lend money to startups and businesses with poor credit. NAV, SoFi, and National Funding are three such subprime lenders. To qualify, you need to transact with them. Once your business account with them shows activity, they start offering loans. For example, a small business owner started his business 6 months ago. With poor personal credit, he followed our advice, registered his business, set up a SoFi business account, and created transactions. After 3 months, SoFi offered him a $10,000 loan with no personal guarantee, despite his low credit score. Another way to get business credit is through secured savings loans. When you open a business checking account, also open a savings account. If you have some savings, you can get a loan against it, which helps build your credit without considering your personal score. Additionally, vendor credit can help. Companies like Uline, Quill, and Granger report to Dun & Bradstreet and offer credit to startups. These vendor accounts can be set up quickly, and even small purchases as low as $75 can help build your credit. Once established, you can move on to gas cards and store credit cards from places like Amazon and Walmart. The process might take 3 to 6 months with bad personal credit, but it is doable. Building business credit without a personal guarantee requires patience, some careful steps, and a few trade lines. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.